Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a shortcut in Google Drive. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, simply go to google.com and sign in to your account. And then from there, simply go to Google Drive. This right here is the interface of Google Drive once you have signed in. Now let's simply try to add a shortcut. Let's say I want to add a shortcut of this video to the test folder. Well, here's what we can do about it. Simply click on the folder of whose shortcut you want to create. I'm gonna right click on it right now. And from here, what you can do is simply go to Organize. And right here at the second option, you can see something like Add Shortcut. Click on it right now. Initially, you will be in the suggested section. Well, I don't want to go there. I want to look at all locations. I'm gonna click on this tab right here. Then from here, I want to add this to my drive. Well, you can add a shortcut to your shared drives, computer, or simply shared with me. Right now, I want to add it to a folder in my drive. So I'm gonna hover over my drive, and at the rightmost section, you will see an arrow-like icon. Simply click on it. Now from here, select the folder of your choice. I want to add a shortcut to the test folder, so I'm just gonna hit on add. Now I'm gonna go to the test folder right now. And guys, there you go. That's how you add a shortcut. It is quite easy. All you have to do is click on Add to Shortcut and select the location to where you want to add the shortcut. That's the gist of it, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.